Hey there, it's Anna. Today we are delving into a topic that can be both intriguing and baffling, understanding the subtle body language signs a woman shows when she likes you. But that's not all. We will also cover how you should respond, especially if the feeling is mutual. It's about reading those small, often missed cues that can tell you she's interested and then knowing the right way to react to keep the connection growing. And by the end of this video, you will not only be more adept at picking up on these signals, but also confident in your responses. Also, be sure to stick around for a crucial bonus tip at the very end. It's an essential piece of advice that will greatly complement our discussion and enhance your interactions. This bonus insight is something that you definitely don't want to miss. Prolonged eye contact and initiating it yourself. Let's begin exploring the subtle body language signs that a woman likes you, starting with eye contact. Prolonged eye contact can be a strong indicator of interest. So let's break down how to recognize this and the ways that you can reciprocate when you share her interest. Prolonged eye contact is more than just a glance. It's an intentional and focused look that lingers longer than a casual look. This type of eye contact can convey a sense of connection and interest. Now, if you notice she's holding your gaze, it could be a sign that she's interested in you. It's a non-verbal way of establishing a bond and showing curiosity or attraction. And if you find her engaging in prolonged eye contact and you are interested, try initiating eye contact yourself. This doesn't mean staring. It's about returning her gaze with a gentle, confident look. You can pair this with a small smile to communicate your receptiveness. And it's a subtle way of acknowledging her interest and showing that you are open to connecting. Playful touching and responding with gentle touch. Now let's talk about playful touching, another subtle but significant body language sign. Understanding how to interpret these light touches and how to respond when you are interested is key to building a connection. Playful touching can include light brushes, a gentle tap on the shoulder, or a casual touch on the arm during conversation. These touches often appear spontaneous and are ways to break the physical barrier while showing comfort and interest. It's a sign she's at ease with you and possibly seeking a closer connection. Pay attention to the context and frequency of these touches, as they can be indicative of her feelings. And of course, if you are interested and want to reciprocate to playful touches, you can respond with similar gentle touches. For instance, a light touch on the back or a brief touch on the hand can convey your interest. It's important to keep these touches light and appropriate, ensuring they are comfortable for both of you. Always be mindful of her reactions and respect her boundaries. And if she seems comfortable and reciprocates, it's a good sign that she's open to this level of interaction. Smiling genuinely and returning a warm smile. Another key indicator to consider is her smile. A genuine warm smile can convey a lot of feelings, including interest. So let's understand how to recognize these sincere smiles and the importance of responding with your own warm smile. A genuine smile from a woman often involves not just her mouth but her entire face, including her eyes. These smiles are spontaneous and natural, signaling joy and comfort in your presence. If she frequently smiles at you in this sincere manner, it's likely a sign of her liking for you. It's a non-verbal way of expressing happiness and can indicate a desire for further connection. If you find her smile infectious and you are interested, don't hesitate to return the gesture with your own warm smile. Smiling back genuinely shows that you appreciate her presence and are equally happy to be around her. It's a simple yet powerful way to communicate your positive feelings towards her. Now remember, a smile can be a universal sign of friendliness and openness, so offering a genuine smile can go a long way in deepening your mutual connection. Open body language and managing your own openness. For our fourth point, let's delve into the significance of open body language. It's an essential aspect of nonverbal communication that can indicate interest. We will explore how to notice this in her posture and her gestures, and the importance of maintaining your own openness in response. Open body language includes gestures like uncrossed arms, a relaxed stance, and facing you directly during conversations. It signifies that she is comfortable and open to engaging with you. Or the signs might include leaning in while talking or an open, welcoming posture. These cues suggest a sense of ease and a willingness to connect more deeply. When a woman exhibits open body language around you, it often means she's receptive and possibly interested in you. And if you notice open body language and feel the same way, it's important to mirror this openness. Maintain a relaxed and approachable posture. Keep your arms uncrossed and face her directly when interacting. Your body language should reflect a similar level of comfort and openness, indicating that you are receptive to her and the possibility of a closer connection. This mutual openness in body language can create a more inviting and positive atmosphere for both of you. Now, before we jump into the next point, if today's video is resonating with you, please leave a like and comment and subscribe for more videos. We appreciate your support and feedback. Quick grooming gestures and complimenting her appearance. Point 5 focuses on quick grooming gestures, which can be subtle indicators of interest. Now, observing these small actions and knowing how to respond can be crucial in building rapport. Let's look at the importance of these gestures and how to compliment her appearance appropriately. Quick grooming gestures include actions like adjusting her hair, smoothing her clothes, or checking her reflection. These actions, especially when done in your presence, can signify that she wants to look her best around you, often a sign of interest. It's her non-verbal way of presenting herself well, possibly in the hopes of catching your attention. These gestures are usually brief and subtle, but can be quite telling about her intentions. And if you notice these grooming gestures and are interested in her, a genuine compliment can be a great response. Compliment her on something specific, like her hairstyle or an outfit, but ensure it's sincere and respectful. A genuine compliment not only acknowledges her effort, but also shows that you are observant and appreciative of her presence. Remember, the key is to keep your compliment tasteful and appropriate to the context, maintaining a comfortable atmosphere in the interaction. Leaning in while talking and closing the distance. Point 6 in our exploration involves the dynamics of physical proximity, specifically leaning in while talking. This gesture can be quite telling, so let's understand how her leaning in can signify interest and how you can appropriately close the distance if you feel the same way. Leaning in during conversation is a sign of interest and engagement. It's a way of reducing the physical distance and creating a more intimate space. When a woman leans in while talking to you, it often indicates that she's comfortable with you and wants to establish a closer connection. This body language suggests an openness to deeper communication and can be a subtle but clear indicator of her liking for you. If you notice her leaning in and you are interested in reciprocating, consider subtly closing the distance yourself. This could just be a slight lean towards her or a small step closer, done in a respectful and non-intrusive manner. Your response should mirror her level of comfort and maintain the natural flow of the conversation. This mutual reduction in distance can enhance the connection and indicate your mutual interest. However, always be attentive to her reactions and ensure that any movement towards closer proximity is welcomed and comfortable for the both of you. Showing nervousness and offering reassurance. Lastly, let's address the subtle signs of nervousness that she may display and how you can offer reassurance. Understanding and responding to these signs can be crucial in creating a comfortable and supportive interaction. Nervousness can manifest in various ways, such as fidgeting, playing with her hair, or even slight stuttering. These signs often indicate that she's anxious about making a good impression or unsure of how you perceive her. It's very important to recognize these signs not as disinterest, but potentially as her feeling self-conscious or tense in your presence due to her liking for you. To offer reassurance, your body language should convey calmness and understanding. Simple gestures like a reassuring smile, nodding to show you are actively listening, or relaxed posture can make a significant difference. These actions can help her feel more at ease and reduce her nervousness. Additionally, engage in the conversation in a way that shows you value her thoughts response and are interested in what she has to say. Being patient and non-judgmental can go a long way in making her feel more comfortable and confident. Bonus tip: cultivate a positive and relaxed environment. This setting is crucial for both recognizing these signs and responding effectively. So let's explore how creating such an atmosphere can enhance your interactions. Cultivating a positive and a relaxed environment involves more than just your physical setting. It's about the emotional tone that you set during interactions. This includes maintaining a friendly demeanor, being open and approachable, and showing genuine interest in the conversation. It's important to create a space where both of you feel comfortable and at ease. Use humor appropriately, listen actively, and engage in light-hearted conversation. A relaxed environment allows both of you to be yourselves, making it easier to pick up on and respond to subtle cues. It encourages a natural flow of interaction where signs of interest can be more easily recognized and reciprocated. Creating a positive and relaxed environment is valuable because it fosters genuine connections. It reduces tension and nervousness, making it easier for both parties to express themselves openly. In such an atmosphere, body language and verbal cues become more apparent and natural, facilitating a deeper understanding and a more authentic interaction. So, as we wrap up this intriguing topic, why not explore further? Up next, discover the signs that she can't believe you haven't made a move yet, or delve into the things you should never do for a woman. Thanks for joining us. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more.